As we reach middle age, the choices we make about what we eat become more important than ever. In the United States, where food options span from bustling farmers markets to fast-paced convenience stores, deciding what to include in our daily meals can feel overwhelming. But nourishing your body isn't just about restriction. It's about savoring each meal, supporting your well-being, and enjoying vibrant flavors that bring meals to life. Let's explore the best foods for middle-aged Americans, choosing options that both delight the palate and fuel healthier years ahead. Imagine starting your day with a bowl of creamy Greek yogurt kissed with golden honey and a scattering of blueberries. Dairy, especially in its fermented forms like yogurt, is rich in calcium and probiotics, which help maintain bone strength and digestive health as we age. Topping it with berries isn't just about taste. Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants, helping to combat the oxidative stress that increases with age and shielding the brain and heart from wear and tear. For those seeking to keep their hearts healthy, nothing beats a luscious avocado on whole grain toast. Avocados supply monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce LDL cholesterol, the type you want less of, while raising beneficial HDL cholesterol. Pair it with nutty, fiber-rich whole grain bread, and you've crafted a powerhouse breakfast or midday snack that supports digestion, stable blood sugar, and long-lasting energy. Of course, protein is essential, especially for preserving muscle mass and strength through the years. But not all protein sources are created equal. For middle-aged Americans, incorporating more lean fish such as salmon and trout is a smart move. These fish are swimming in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to both brain health and a lower risk of heart disease. Grill a fillet of salmon with lemon and herbs for a meal that's as simple as it is nourishing. Plant-based proteins deserve a spot on the menu too. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in dietary fiber and iron, the kind that helps keep energy levels steady and supports cardiovascular wellness. Try tossing chickpeas into a fresh salad with mixed greens, roasted vegetables, and a drizzle of olive oil. Not only does it taste like summer in a bowl, but it also offers a medley of vitamins and minerals that support longevity and vitality. Let's not forget about hearty greens. Think kale, spinach, Swiss chard, and broccoli. These vibrant vegetables are more than just side dishes. They're edible shields against chronic illness. Dark leafy greens are brimming with folate, vitamin K, and potassium, supporting everything from brain function to bone density. A simple sauté with garlic and olive oil, or a leafy green smoothie blended with almond milk and banana, can be an easy addition to daily routines, making wellness an effortless habit. Nuts and seeds are tiny treasures for the middle-aged diet. A handful of almonds or walnuts delivers a dose of healthy fats, protein, and essential minerals like magnesium, which is vital for muscle health and nerve function. Flax seeds and chia seeds, when sprinkled over oatmeal or stirred into smoothies, provide heart-supporting omega-3s and an extra boost of fiber. Just remember, moderation is key. Even healthy fats are calorie-dense, so a small handful is all you need to reap the rewards. When cravings for something sweet strike, go for nature's own fruit. Apples, oranges, pears, and fresh pineapple offer not just satisfying natural sugars, but also a wealth of water, vitamins C and A, and plenty of fiber to keep everything running smoothly. A crisp, juicy apple in the afternoon or an orangey after dinner can satisfy your sweet tooth while supporting immune health and healthy digestion. Hydration is often overlooked, yet it quietly determines our energy, focus, and how well the body performs even simple daily tasks. Middle age is the time to prioritize water and herbal teas over sugar-sweetened sodas or excess caffeine. Infused water with slices of cucumber or sprigs of mint can make hydration a refreshing and enticing experience. Let's also talk about those vibrant, colorful foods: peppers, carrots, tomatoes, and beets. Each hue signifies a different set of phytonutrients, plant compounds that help fight inflammation and promote glowing skin, healthy vision, and a protected heart. Roasting a tray of colorful vegetables with herbs transforms them into sweet, caramelized bites that brighten any meal, making vegetables far from an afterthought. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, barley, and oats are an essential piece of the middle-aged nutrition puzzle. These grains are complex carbohydrates, meaning they release energy slowly, preventing the blood sugar spikes and crashes that zap productivity and mood. They're also loaded with B vitamins and fiber, supporting metabolism and a healthy gut. Swapping white rice or regular pasta for their whole grain cousins doesn't just improve health, it also brings a satisfying flavor and heartier texture to your meals. While what you eat is crucial, how you eat matters too. Mindful eating asks us to slow down, savor every bite, and listen to our bodies. It isn't about counting every calorie, but about enjoying your meals and recognizing fullness cues before reaching for seconds. When shared with family or friends, healthy meals can become moments of connection, joy, and deep satisfaction. As the years go by, our bodies change, and so do our nutritional needs. It's not about restriction, but renewal, a journey where taste and health walk hand in hand. The right food choices can give you the energy to enjoy your grandkids, the stamina to take an early morning walk, and the vitality to keep doing what you love. Think of each meal as an investment in your future happiness and well-being. So whether you're planning your weekly grocery list or looking for inspiration to liven up tonight's dinner, remember, good health doesn't have to be bland or boring. The most delicious foods also can be the most beneficial. So reach for that juicy salmon fillet, toss a handful of spinach into your omelet, snack on a crunchy pear, or whip up a fragrant lentil soup. With every mindful bite, you're making a choice to thrive, not just today, but for all the years ahead. And as you enjoy the flavors, remember that enjoying a food and caring for your health aren't mutually exclusive. With curiosity and a spirit of adventure, let your meals become celebrations of life, nourishment, and the joy of feeling your very best every single day.